that moment when you made a video or a picture and you have to catch up with the other hikers. Oh, we just arrived in Lanzarote. Super tired because I had today the surf session of my life. It was super cool at Lobos. We had perfect waves, and now we will check out the waves here in Lanzarote. First row! Juhu!
Jeg føler mig, at jeg kæmper som chef her.
Eller til en chef farm.
Our first stop will be the next parking spot we find to sleep at.
First
Probably.
stop will be a supermarket.
Yeah, first stop will be a supermarket because we're both super hungry. Docking is complete.
Very nice.
Let the adventure on Lanzarote begin. Food is bought. Now let's find a sleeping place. After a very relaxing night on a very loud parking, we got some company over there. And now we're on our way to the north. There is a very beautiful Charco tidal pool where we want to go to do some snorkeling. And I think it's a very good spot to stand with the van. We will see. We just arrived. It's a little bit crowded here, but I think in the night we will have a really nice spot here. And now we get welcomed by a little dog. Hey! Did my first snorkeling tour with my new goggles. And this is the paradise, so beautiful. Oops.
Let's go! Timo, wie läuft? Nice shorts. Timo the caveman.
So, after a very relaxing and long night, we are now on our way to the smallest island of the Canarys, La Graciosa. We are doing 2 days there. Today I think we will hike up to the highest point, and we also found a really beautiful beach where we want to go to sleep. Let's see how it will look. Now I've been on all the Canarian islands. Yes! We just bought all our food and water that we need because there is only here in this little town 2 supermarkets, this one and this one. Now we will start our hike. The way right now a bit shitty, stupid gravel pit, super exhausting. Another highest point! Yes! We reached the highest point and the view is unbelievable beautiful. And now we are going to this beach. arrived at the beach. It was more exhausting than I thought, but I think we just landed in paradise. Just had a really nice afternoon at the beach, and now all the people are gone and we have the beach for ourselves. Yeah! Up there is Luana. We also found a really good sleeping spot. It's perfectly covered by the wind and the view is awesome. I love it. I definitely will stay more than one day here, but tomorrow it goes back to Lanzarote. There is a fireplace at our sleeping place, so we are trying to find wood to make a little bonfire. Maybe I should add to the task to make a fire. I only have one match. My lighter doesn't work, so yeah, one match, one fire. I hope it is accessible. So we found a bit of wood. Problem is we don't really have something big, so not sure if it will work. We will find out soon. It was possible. Fire is burning. Woo! We had a very relaxing sleep, but we had some unwished visitors. There were some very naughty mice going into my backpack, snacking our food. Opa. But fortunately, we have enough food, right?
Of course.
Yeah, and we have the whole beach for ourselves. Little beach cleanup done, and just as a motivation, it's really not hard. Just on your way on the beach, take off the trash you find and you've already made a difference. Now we are going to the next beach. I hope the weather will stay good because it looks back there a bit rainy. I don't think it will rain in this paradise, at least I hope so. We just arrived back at the little city on this island. We were not super motivated to go to the other beaches because the weather is not super good and it's quite windy on the north shore. Now we're going back to Lanzarote and we are searching there for a cool beach to go. But now we can rest a bit until the next ship goes. Well, stupid me read the wrong time from the ship. Thanks to her, we didn't miss the boat for like 5 minutes, but the scenery was very nice. I was running bare feet and topless on the boats, and other people over there are in their winter jackets. But yeah, mask up. After a roller coaster ship ride to Lanzarote, we returned to the van. Now we drive to the next stop, to a parking very close to the Playa de Risco, where we're probably going to sleep tonight. But first we will go to buy some cactus liquor. We are on our way to the beach. The view is stunning. Every time when I think a view is perfect, it cannot be more beautiful. Yeah, it can be more beautiful. This looks awesome. How perfect. You can see 4 islands. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where we are heading to. I can really recommend Lanzarote for a trip. It's beautiful. Always look out where you step. time to let someone else cook for me. Today we have a 7-star camping kitchen. What is today on the meal?
Noodle salad.
Let's begin. Good morning. Well, the night here was nice. It was a little bit windy. It started to rain once, something we don't see a lot here. But the morning looks very nice. This is how we wash the dishes. So yeah, next time you see this.
The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on my side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I got a feeling it's all feeling good.
If you don't want to miss this video, then subscribe to my channel, hit the notify button below, and I see you next time. Bye guys!